how to find the missing game launcher on the Samsung Galaxy S23 or the S24. So if you are swiping up from the home screen into the app screen, you may notice game launcher is not in here. Now game launcher has been replaced with gaming hub, and if you still cannot find gaming hub in here, what you can do is go into the app screen, then swipe across and open up your Galaxy Store. This is the icon right here. In Galaxy Store, I'm going to tap on the search button, then you put in the keyword gaming hub, and here it will show gaming hub from Samsung Electronics. So tap on the download button. Once it has finished downloading, it will then proceed to install the game, or the app, sorry. And we just wait for the installation to finish, then tap on the open button. And that's it. Now game launcher has launched. Game launcher has now been renamed to gaming hub. And that's it. So you will find all the features are pretty much the same. There are some redesign of the interface. For example, down here at the bottom bar, tapping on the 4 small square icons will open up my games, and at the top it will show instant plays history and so on. And that's it. So that is how you can find your game launcher on the Samsung Galaxy S24 or the S23. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.